In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix the Snapchat camera permission problem. Now, the first thing that you can do to solve this issue is to make sure that the camera permissions inside of Snapchat is allowed. So to ensure that, tap and hold the app of Snapchat, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to permissions and make sure that the camera option is set to allow. If this was not set to allow, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So once you enable this, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if that still fails, then what you can do is close the app of Snapchat from the recent app list and then try to restart your phone. Restarting your phone helps to fix any sort of glitches which might be causing the issue. Also, you can check for new updates available for Snapchat. Head over to Play Store, search for Snapchat, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. Also, what you can do is uninstall the Snapchat app from your phone and then again reinstall. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will also be fixed. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.